Ladies and gentlemen, today, I stand before you to speak about one of the most profound and powerful emotions known to humanity: love. We often hear the phrase, "I love you," exchanged between people. These three words carry immense weight, but love is not merely about saying these words. It is about the actions and the proof behind them that make love truly meaningful. Love, in its truest form, transcends mere words. It is easy to say, "I love you," but it is far more challenging to demonstrate that love through our actions. True love requires effort, commitment, and a willingness to put another person's needs and happiness above our own. Consider the small acts of kindness and support that we offer to our loved ones every day. It is in these moments that love reveals itself. When we listen attentively to our partner's concerns, when we offer a helping hand without being asked, when we sacrifice our own comfort for the well-being of those we care about. These are the moments that prove our love. Love is shown in the patience we exhibit during difficult times, in the forgiveness we extend when mistakes are made, and in the unwavering support we provide during moments of struggle. It is found in the quiet, unspoken gestures, a reassuring touch, a knowing smile, a shared silence. These actions speak volumes and convey a depth of love that words alone cannot capture. Moreover, love is about consistency. It is not a fleeting emotion that comes and goes, but a steadfast commitment that endures through life's ups and downs. It is about being there for someone, not just when it is convenient or easy, but especially when it is challenging and demanding. It is about showing up time and time again and proving through our actions that our love is genuine and enduring. In our relationships, let us strive to show our love through our actions. Let us be mindful of the ways we can support, nurture, and uplift our loved ones. Let us remember that love is not just a feeling to be expressed with words, but a promise to be fulfilled with deeds. As we navigate our lives, may we always seek to prove our love through our actions, making our "I love you" resonate with sincerity and truth. Let us cherish the people we hold dear and demonstrate our love for them in ways that are meaningful, consistent, and heartfelt. Thank you.